Good day everyone. Today we will discuss all about how to solve rational equation and inequalities. The first that we discuss is about rational equation. Meron tayong steps na kailangan nating tandaan to how to solve rational equations. First is find the LCD. Second is multiply both sides by the LCD and simplify. Last is check the solutions. The first example, number 1, solve for x, 1 over x equal 2 over 3x minus 1. First, I'm going to transpose 2 over 3x minus 1. That will become 1 over x minus 2 over 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, find the LCD. Ang LCD natin is x times 3x minus 1. Our denominator. Then, kukunin natin yung sa taas niya. Then x times 3x minus 1 divided by x is equal to 3x minus 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3x minus 1. Then, sa right side na naman, x times 3x minus 1 divided by 3x minus 1 is equal to x multiplied by 2 is equal to minus 2x is equal to 0. After that, then, combine the like terms. Combine natin yung like terms nila. Yung 3x minus 2x is equal to x. Then copy the negative 1 all over x times 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then our denominator multiply by 0. That will become 0. Yun yung x minus 1 natin. Ang x natin is yung 1 natin is i-transpose natin sa kabila. Ang mangyayari is x is equal to 1. Our x is positive 1. Ito yung sagot natin. Next is example number 2. Solve for x plus 3 over x minus 1 equal 4 over x minus 1. First is find the LCD. So our LCD is our denominator. Obviously that is x minus 1. Then multiply the equation both side by the LCD, which is itong x minus 1 and x plus 3 x minus 1 equal 4 over x minus 1. Then isa-isay natin yung LCD i-multiply natin sa loob ng bracket. So x minus 1 times x plus 3 divided x minus 1, that will be x plus 3. Kasi makakancel yung x minus 1. So ang natira lang is ang x plus 3. Then sa right side na naman, si x minus 1 multiply natin into 4, i-divide sa x minus 1 is equal to 4 kasi makakancel din yung x minus 1 natin. So ang natira lang is equal to 4. Then simplify natin yan para makuha natin yung x. Yung 3 ililipat natin sa right side. Ang mangyayari is x is equal to 4 minus 3. Naging minus yan kasi kapag i-transpose mo sa kabila, magiging negative yung sign kasi positive yung sign niya dito. Then, i-minus natin yan to get the values of x. Then, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So, our x is positive 1. Next is, i-check natin yung 1 kapag yan ay hindi extraneous solution. So, gagamitin natin na equation is the original equation, which is x plus 3 over x minus 1 equal 4 over x minus 1. Then, papalitan natin yung x natin ng 1. So, i-substitute natin yan, magiging 1 plus 3 over 1 minus 1 equal 4 over 1 minus 1. Then, simplify. 1 plus 3, that is 4. 1 minus 1, that is 0. Same din sa right side, 4 over 0. So, nakita natin ang denominator natin is 0. Ibig sabihin, magiging undefined yung answer natin. That is a false solution. Therefore, 1 is not a solution. Ang equation na to ay walang solution. Pag sa ganitong case, ibig sabihin, yung 1 natin na sagot, ay tinatawag yan na extraneous solution. Ano ba yung extraneous solution? That is an apparent solution that does not solve its equation. Next is solving rational inequalities. Mayroon din tayong mga steps na kailangan nating tandaan to how to solve rational inequalities. Letter A, rewrite the inequality as a single fraction on one side of the inequality symbol and 0 on the other side. Letter B, determine over what intervals the fraction takes on positive and negative values. The first example, solve the inequalities of x plus 12 over x plus 2 greater than equal to 2. First is ililipat natin si 2 sa left side para maging 0 yung nasa right side natin. That will become x plus 2 over x plus 12 over x plus 2 minus 2 greater than equal to 2. Kunin natin yan by using LCD. So ano yung LCD natin? That is x plus 2. So si x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 2, makakancel yan. Ang natira lang ay si x plus 12. Then si x plus 2 divided by 1 times negative 2. So si negative 2 multiplied by x plus 2, that will become negative 2 times x plus 2 greater than equal to 0. Then, i-distribute natin si negative 2 kay x. That will become x plus 12 minus 2x minus 4 over x plus 2 greater than equal to 0. Then, combine the similar terms. The value is negative x plus 8 over x plus 2 greater than equal to 0. Hindi na natin kailangan gawing positive ito. Kasi ikot pa naman natin yung value ng x. Since naka-single fraction na yung nasa left side natin, then kukunin natin yung value ng x, both numerator and denominator. Unahin na kukunin natin is yung sa numerator. Negative x plus 8 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 8. Since negative yung x natin, divided both side by negative 1, kaya naging positive yung 8 natin. Then, si x plus 2 is equal to 0. That will become x is equal to negative 2. Then, ilalagay natin sa number line yung negative 2 and positive 8. Mayroon tayong tatlong interval. So bago natin i-solve kung saan yung interval solution natin, i-identify muna natin si negative 2 ba at positive 8 ay part ng solution. So paano natin gawin? Substitution. Si 8 plus 12 is equal to 20 over 8 plus 2 is 10 greater than equal to 0. So, divide natin yan. So, 2 greater than equal to 2. So, that is true. So, ibig sabihin, kasali si 8 sa solution set natin. So, lagyan natin to ng shade para ma-identify na kasali yan sa solution set natin. Si negative 2 na naman, i-substitute natin sa original equation. So, negative 2 plus 12, that is 10. Over negative 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. So, magiging undefined yan. So, hindi siya kasali sa solution set natin. Then, ihati natin ito sa tatlong interval. Ilagay natin si interval A, B, and C. Each interval ay kukuha tayo ng test points na mas malapit sa mga given, which is negative 2 and 8. So, si interval A ay negative 3 yung kunin natin. So, asan ba natin isa-substitute yung negative 3? Dito, hindi sa original equation. So, negative times negative 3 plus 8 over negative 3 plus 2. Yung x natin ay pinalitan natin ng negative 3. Then, 11 over negative 1 greater than equal to 0. Then, is equal, 11 over negative 1 is equal to negative 11 greater than equal to 0. So, therefore, this is not a solution. Hindi ito kasali sa solution set natin. Bakit? Hindi mas malaki si negative 11 kaysa kay 0. Next is sa interval B natin. So, ang kukunin natin na test point is 0. So, same din dun sa interval A, substitute natin. So, 0 plus 8 over 0 plus 2 greater than equal to 0. Then, 8 over 2 greater than equal to 0. Then, i-divide natin yan. That is 4 greater than equal to 0. So, kasali ito sa solution set natin. So, lagyan natin yan ng line para ma-identify na kasali ito sa solution set natin. So, dito naman sa interval C. Ang interval C natin, ang kinuha natin na test point is 9 kasi yun ang mas malapit kay 8. So, negative 9 plus 8 over 9 plus 2 greater than equal to 0. Then, that will become negative 1 over 11 greater than equal to 0. So, the answer is negative 0.09 greater than equal to 0. So, ano lang yung kasama sa solution natin? Is yung interval B natin. So, pag nilagay natin yan sa safe notation, that is x such that x negative 2 greater x less than equal to 8. So, your x is greater negative 2 but less than equal positive 8. So, pag nilagay naman natin sa interval notation that is negative 2 and 8, then lagyan natin to ng bracket and dito close parenthesis. So, bakit ito naging bracket? Kasi kapag bracket yung ginamit natin, ibig sabihin kasali na yun sa solution set natin. Pero kapag gumamit tayo ng parenthesis, ibig sabihin hindi kasali sa solution set natin. Thank you. I hope you understand.